Technology is always in a state of flux. There is always new hardware and programs in the market to cut down on production time or to enhance or improve existing work products. Towards this end, the DOST is in the thick of helping MSMEs or startups step up technically, like in the city of Golden Friendship, as our Rod Lagusad reports.
As part of the ongoing innovations by the Department of Science and Technology, it is also aimed at helping the public benefit from these advancements, such as improving the businesses of micro, small, and medium enterprises. Along the National Science, Technology, and Innovation Week, it promotes entrepreneurship. The Best Friend Goodies, a company that produces nutritious cookies and ready-to-eat food in Cagayan de Oro City, is supported by the DOST to help improve their products. Their cookies are made from ingredients like squash, mungo beans, sweet potato, and coconut, which are designed to address malnutrition and part of the Department of Education's feeding program. Under the Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program or SETUP, MSMEs are encouraged to adopt technological innovations to enhance their products or services. With the help of this DOST program, the company was able to acquire a water retort machine, which is crucial in manufacturing the ready-to-eat products, especially during natural disasters.
Pinapatay niya yung mga microbio sa loob ng pouch. Kung hindi tayo familiar nito sa water retort, ito rin yung ginagamit natin sa mga sardinas. In cans siya. Sa atin, sa Best Friend Goodies, in pouches nga lang siya. Pero the technology, the principle of technology, nandun for longer shelf life.
It is available in chicken arroz caldo, champorado, mango beans, squash, and mixed fruit. Meanwhile, Agis Aqua Sports and Opol Misamis Oriental has also upgraded the line of boats with their latest fiberglass racers with the help from DOST and its setup program. And with the use of computer numerical control or CNC router, a computer-controlled cutting machine designed for hewing various materials like wood, steel, glass, plastic, and more, production increased and their market expanded, with businesses also derived from outside Mindanao.
Yung production namin mas mabilis na, accurate na yung cutting namin sa mga parts ng boats, saka napadali yung trabaho namin. Matagal yung unang process kasi galing tayo sa yung jigsaw manual lang, tapos yung mga pattern niya manual din yung pagsukat natin.
Building a 38-foot speedboat which used to take a whole year now only takes around 8 months to complete. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.